This is my first time laser cutting. My test material was a 3mm thick balsa wood plate, which I placed over the honeycomb mat that was not included with the machine. When I secured it, I then placed the laser on the surface using the focus mechanism. Honestly, while the assembly was a little confusing at first, the software to use this was also more or less confusing for a first-timer. But once I got the machine added, I started to drag and drop designs to make a little test from the library already included in the Atomstack app. I couldn't really find any tutorials on how to actually use the software, so I just clicked on everything to see what it did. Then I panicked because I clicked on something that made the laser move out of the mat, and after watching a couple videos, I kinda got the gist of it and managed to finally get it to work after I understood how the motor moved the laser. The result was good, but the bag was pretty burnt, meaning that the settings I was using to cut were too high. The software said it had all the presets to cut the different materials that it can, but it didn't include any for the 3mm balsa wood that I had. I got a PDF with all the settings for the materials it cut, and I did some tweaking to the numbers, and then did a new test. I wanted to do something more intricate and complex, so I took the Sailor Moon logo from the 90s, and at this time it gave me a much better result because it didn't burn the back. I have a good idea of what material I'll use next for an official project later down the line, but this machine has a lot of promise.